Area throw salute to the come from football pidgin. After match, talk about how you see am. The World Cup don't come, it don't go. We don't see the Ogbonge final. My oga, this final where we see today, me I dey watch it, I dey watch football, dey watch World Cup final. I never see World Cup final wey tough reach this one. Wey be like say the two team, I don't see some way tough, but I don't believe say I don't see the one way tough reach this one. So my oga, abeg, tell us your name and tell us how you see this World Cup final today.
Okay, my name na Kingsley. Oh boy, this World Cup here now. I never sit I dey watch final. Never watch this final. I never watched this kind of final once before. Where I sit down, my heart dey beat. I almost collapse when I sit down. No be play o. Argentina not win this World Cup. Hey, oh boy, what will happen? I'm not sure say I for fit withstand am. I tell you, no be play, no be play.
So, but what do you get to talk about this play where we see from two top players when it comes to football, Lionel Messi and Kylian Mbappe for this final? How you see the way the two players they ginger their team for this final today?
Oh, but they're true. Two of them they try. They prove say they be leader. Messi score penalty, he score goal. Mbappe score penalty, he score goal. So two of them show say they be really good leader for their team.
So, but with this one now, we be like say Lionel Messi don't win the World Cup. We know say every time that they always talk about Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo. You think say any debate still there between Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo now?
Debate not dey now. Who pass exam? No be.
And they get promotion.
Na so it be now. Who pass exam I promote. You not pass you not pass exam. You repeat class. You know compare with person say pass exam now. So it don't clear. Messi pass Ronaldo. Not be mate. Not be mate. So it's the greatest player of all time.
So, but make I ask you now. For this World Cup, we see so many players wey come. Some players don't come, they don't go. We see two teams wey lock arms today for the final. Which player you think say be the best player for this World Cup?
So me, I'll give am to Mbappe. Mbappe try. He deserve am.
So Mbappe deserve am.
Yes, he deserve am.
So, but we know say now Cristiano Ronaldo and Messi they be senior bra for the football lifestyle. Their age don't go far, and we know say they don't go play at this level long again. You think say you get any player will go fit rival Kylian Mbappe with wetin we see today for this final? You believe say any player will go fit dey follow Mbappe dey drag who go be the best player for the world?
And also to me and also Mbappe, he finish work. He shows saying a good player. But to score 7 goals, 3 score a trick for final. He shows say he's a good player. He's a good player.
So you don't believe say any player?
No player. For now, not the. He try. Mbappe.
So before I let you go, Oga Kingsley, one last question. Which coach you go give your own best coach of the tournament with what we see so far for this World Cup?
I'll give out to Argentina coach. Now who pass exam, now they promote. So I'll give out to Argentina coach. He try. Yes, I'll give out to Argentina coach. Yes, he try. Yes.
All right now, Oga Kingsley, thank you for your time. Your face. My country people, now lawyer boy across where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank you as we take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platforms, they for the description for inside this video.